In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your order on Vestiaire Collective. If you've recently made a purchase through Vestiaire Collective and are eagerly awaiting your package's arrival, knowing how to track your order is crucial. So let's dive right into it and make sure you can keep an eye on your purchase every step of the way. First, open up your web browser. In the search bar, type Vestiaire Collective. Once you've entered that, hit the search button. You're likely to see a list of results, but for ease and speed, choose the first result that appears. This should take you directly to Vestiaire Collective's homepage, the portal to tracking your fashionable treasures. Now that you're on the website, look towards the top right corner. There, you should see an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on it. Promptly, you'll be directed to the sign-in page. Here, you'll need to log in using your existing account credentials. If you're already a registered user, enter your email address and password linked to your account. Remember to double-check these details to avoid any hiccups while accessing your account. Once you're successfully logged in, locate your profile icon. This is your go-to place on the website for accessing your personal account details. Click on it and you'll see a menu drop down. From this menu, you need to select account settings. By doing this, you'll be entering into the hub for all your purchase tracks, sales, and a myriad of other functions that help you engage with Vestiaire Collective. Now, inside your account settings, there's an option that says Orders and Sales. Select this option. This is where all your transactions and sales activity are neatly documented. Within this section, you can review your past and current orders effortlessly. Once you've navigated to Orders and Sales, you should see a list of your recent orders. Find the order you want to track and click on it. Here, you'll be presented with all the details you need about your order, including the shipping number. This shipping number is crucial, as it will allow you to track your order with the postal or courier service handling your package. Stay informed by frequently checking this section for real-time updates on your order status and estimated delivery times. This can give you peace of mind, especially for high-value or time-sensitive orders. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to track your order on Vestiaire Collective. We hope this guide makes your shopping experience easier and more enjoyable. If you still have questions, Vestiaire Collective's customer service is always available to assist you further. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.